Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Triple Door Gym. I've bought this on Amazon. I wanted to make a quick video on how to set it up. I know a lot of people are buying this, so I bought it for the same reason. I wanted to show you what it looks like inside the box. So far, I like what I see. I like the construction. I like the metal they use. It's pretty sturdy. I did not like that plastic piece that they did have. I guess they needed for the design, the black ruler like plastic that they use. But I guess it does its job, because what it looks like is that's the piece that stands on the door frame. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to put this all together, so that if you are setting it up, or before you are buying it, you wanted to see what it's about. I hope this video will be useful to you. So far I already put some pieces together, and this is the other piece that I'm putting in right now. The instructions are very simple, very easy to follow. The nuts and bolts go exactly where you see. I would say it took me about 10 to 15 minutes to set up. You don't need any tools. The tool that you do need, it already comes with the package. I believe there's a small open end wrench that they give you. So I was able to use that, and that's all I needed. I mean, make sure it's tight. You don't want this thing to be wobbly, because it is going to lift you up. I don't recall any weight restrictions. I'm sure there are some. You would have to read the instructions in detail. I have used it already, and it's pretty useful. The only thing I do worry about is storage, because there's no way to fold this to put away. What I am thinking is I might actually make another video to install a safety harness or something, or safety wire that will so that will allow me to keep this thing hanging on the door. And if for whatever reason, if it comes loose, the safety wire would hold it in place so that it doesn't fall or something. But I don't think that is necessary when you are using it for exercising, and remove it once it's done, once you are done with it. So this piece that we're setting up right now, this is actually an attachment to the gym, to the door gym. I find it useful if you want to do some dips, or if you have a small kid who wants to do some pull-ups. This is reachable from the ground, as opposed to the door hanger. I believe they designed it for adult use. The metal is very sturdy. The bars are sturdy. I'm very happy with it. I wanted to show you how to install this. So push it up against the door on top, and you want to make sure the other side of the door sits firmly on the door frame. Don't worry, the door won't break. This is designed that way, and those paddings, the white paddings you see on the side, has to be in place as well. And that's what it looks like on the other side. The black bar that you see, it's actually plastic. And then you just hook up this new attachment that comes with this package. And that's what the whole thing looks like. I hope you find it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.